Hey, this is Raritan River Railroad Fan 4, and today I'm in Quakertown, Pennsylvania to show you the Raritan River Railroad's Boxcar 100. I finally found this boxcar after hours of searching and getting lost in my car. It took me a long time to get here, but I finally found the road to get here. And here it is. It's at the Quakertown Depot. There's a few cars here, not that many, but can't believe I found this. This car was originally a Norfolk and Western boxcar. I think it was involved in a fire in 1970, I think it was. And when the Raritan River was taken over by Conrail, it was at Parlin at the time. And I think someone arranged for it to have it sent to Quakertown. I'm not sure why, but it does in no way belong here. It should be moved back to the Milltown Freight Station once they get some money to restore it and bring it back, but until then it stays here for some obscure reason. And next I'll be showing you the caboose number 8, which is in Ivyland, so thank you and subscribe.